In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your email marketing GDPR compliant in Mailchimp by enabling GDPR fields and collecting proper consent. Before we begin, a quick note. GDPR is about giving people clear choices and control over how you use their data. What we're doing here helps you collect that consent in a transparent, auditable way right inside Mailchimp. This walkthrough is instructional and not legal advice, but it will set you up with the right tools. Start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in, head to the top menu and click Audience. This is where Mailchimp stores your contacts and all the settings that control how people join your list. Next, click Settings, then select Audience Settings. We're going to adjust the defaults that apply across your sign-up forms. On the Audience Settings page, scroll down until you see Form Settings, sometimes labeled as Audience-Wide Defaults. Look for the section called GDPR Fields on Sign-Up Forms. This is the feature that adds a dedicated consent area to your forms, so subscribers can specifically opt in to the types of communication you plan to send. Click Edit to open the configuration options. Now, turn on the toggle labeled Enable GDPR Fields. This is the switch that activates the consent section on your sign-up forms. With GDPR fields enabled, add a clear title for the consent section. Keep it straightforward, such as marketing permissions or how we'll contact you, so subscribers instantly understand what they're agreeing to. Then, add a concise description explaining how their data will be used. Focus on clarity and plain language. For example, explain that you'll use their information to send updates, promotions, or newsletters, and that they can unsubscribe at any time. If you have a privacy policy, it's helpful to reference it here in simple terms so people know where to learn more. Next, choose the consent checkboxes you want to display, such as email marketing. Each checkbox represents a distinct purpose, and subscribers must actively select the ones they agree to. Keep your options relevant to what you actually send. Asking for only what you need improves trust and completion rates. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. From now on, your sign-up forms will show the GDPR consent section, and Mailchimp will record each person's selections with a timestamp. That record is important if you ever need to demonstrate consent. That's it. You've enabled GDPR fields, added clear language, and chosen the appropriate consent options, putting your audience growth on a more compliant and transparent foundation.